A suspended state attorney is now taking the governor to federal court. Andrew Warren claims the governor actually violated his First Amendment rights. Now, this comes after Governor DeSantis announced that he is suspending Warren, stating he placed himself above the law when he decided not to prosecute certain crimes. Capitol reporter Forrest Saunders takes us to the new legal dispute tonight.
Andrew Warren was all over the news Wednesday morning, doing live interviews on MSNBC as well as CNN and hosting 2 press conferences across the state. It's all because of this. It's a large complaint that he filed at the federal courthouse right around the corner. The legal battle between the governor and state attorney Andrew Warren is on.
This morning, I filed a suit in federal court to challenge the blatant abuse of power by Governor DeSantis in suspending the state attorney.
Warren officially filed this 28-page complaint Wednesday, alleging the governor violated Warren's freedom of speech and that DeSantis exceeded his authority when removing the prosecutor from elected office in the 13th Judicial Circuit.
The governor has attacked our democracy, and it should worry everyone. If the governor's attempt to unilaterally overturn an election is allowed to stand, it threatens to undermine the integrity and outcome of elections across our state for years to come.
Warren is calling for a judge to rescind the governor's order, restore the attorney to his post, and prohibit DeSantis from taking similar action in the future. The ouster came after Warren vowed not to prosecute violations of Florida's new 15-week abortion ban. He also pledged to, quote, not promote the criminalization of gender-affirming health care. Warren signed joint statements in support of both.
We are suspending State Attorney Andrew Warren.
DeSantis took issue, calling the stance a, quote, neglect of duty. After his press secretary promoted the event online, the governor held this press conference on August 4th to eject Warren from the office.
When you make yourself above the law, you have violated your duty, you have neglected your duty, and you are displaying a lack of competence.
The governor's office responded to the lawsuit with his statement Wednesday morning. Quote, it's not surprising Warren, who was suspended for refusing to follow the law, would file a legally baseless lawsuit challenging his suspension. We look forward to responding in court. Now, one thing that Warren wasn't very clear on is whether he would release a list of donors to his legal defense fund. Warren was asked about it twice, and all we really got from him is that he will, quote, follow the law. Meanwhile, the next step in this legal dispute is a response from the governor's attorneys. That's the latest out here at the Capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.